Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add more admin to our Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open our Telegram application on our mobile phone, and then we can choose a group chat we want to add more admin to. For instance, I'm going to add more admin to this group chat, so I'm going to open it, and then we can click on the group chat's name right here and click on this pencil icon on the top. Then you have to go to the members section. Okay, and for your information guys, I'm the admin of this group chat, so I have the right or authority to choose another member to become admin of this group chat. And we just need to click on the member of the group we want to make it as an admin. For instance, I'm going to make this account become admin, so I'm going to click on this three dots and then click on promote to admin. Okay, and here we can choose the admin rights, and I'm going to add this one, add this permission. I'm going to allow this admin to add new admins to this group chat and then remain anonymous as well. Once you're done choosing the admin rights, you just need to click on this check mark, and now this member has become admin of this group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can add more admin to Telegram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.